Guys, so here is the review of the Airfix 172 scale Curitss P-40B and Mitsubishi A6M2B0, also known as the Zeke. So, here are the models, here is the box art, and let's get on with this. So, here is the P-40. So we got the standard US Army early war scheme of olive drab and neutral grey. I think it's neutral grey. Yeah, neutral grey. So we have early roundels, US Army Air Corps roundels. These numbers identification, and the plane is flown by, you can see him in there, Lieutenant George Welsh of the 47th Pursuit Squadron, 15th Pursuit Group, flying out of Haliwa Field on Oahu. He was first posted to Wheeler Field, and so here on the bottom is US Army for ground identification, because they use most of these to help support troops on the ground, and group markings. This was a nice, easy model. Wasn't too difficult, wasn't too challenging. It was more painting and decaling where the tricky parts came in, such as, I believe, one of the decals which I accidentally cut in half. So, there's that model. Then we move on to the A6M2B 21-0. This one wasn't as easy. I spilled some water over the decals quite early on, so they were a bit more tricky to put on. It turned out okay. And this one is flown by Lieutenant Saburo Shindu. It's the lead aircraft of Carrier Division 1 Air Superiority Command 2nd Strike Unit Carrier Akaji. So, drop tank. Yeah. It's a nice model. They're both not really very challenging. I'd say they're good for beginners. Apart from this can be a bit tricky, particularly getting it to work with the canopy. I had to glue that in after I'd finished, because I usually leave the canopies off when I'm painting them, mostly so I don't end up painting the glass, and two, because I paint the pilots outside, so it's a bit easier. So there we have that one. So in terms of painting, the P-40 was just standard olive drab 155 Humbrol paint from the tin. This was more complicated, as the paint they supplied you, number 90, should look like that. When I got it, it was more green, and I mixed it in loads of times. It didn't change at all. So I ended up adding a load of white in, and I got to that sort of colour, which is basically the colour on the plane. It's a bit more green than I would like, but I couldn't really do much about it. So, also, I based the pilot of the Japanese aircraft on, if I can find it in here again, there's an RAF pilot. This painting of a Japanese pilot. Eastern Front, Northwest Europe, Northwest Europe, Pacific War. On this image. of a captain of the Japanese Air Force in 1943, which I reasoned was not that much different, and I added the insignia of a lieutenant, which is that one on his arm, which was tricky. I can't see it, but was well worth it. So, with that done, yeah, that's about it. Bye for now.